Leverage Shares has over 180 ETPs listed across multiple exchanges. Now, we are bringing our expertise, capacity, and low cost to partners looking to list their own exchange-traded product via our brand new white label platform. The ETP wrapper is increasingly the vehicle of choice for portfolio managers. By listing on a major venue like the London Stock Exchange, your strategy will instantly be accessible by a wider category and geography of investors across the UK, Europe, and Asia. One of the biggest benefits for growing portfolios is that it takes away the red tape, due diligence, and investment minimums, something mutually beneficial not only for the manager, but also for investors. So if you're thinking about an ETP structure for your strategy, let's have a conversation. For more information, visit the white label page at leverageshares.com.